Often we forget about this part of the body. We focus on our belly and our hips, but our chest is just as important in our belly dancing. Today we are going to go through some chest isolation drills. So thanks so much, Courtney, for requesting this one. Let's warm up. So nice and relaxed, just releasing through. Really good to release through our spine, as that's what will move our chest when we get into our moves. And then just coming in, just little open and reach. So you can see I'm coming all the way forward, all the way back. Just nice little open up. Try not to push it, just being really gentle. That's it. And then just dropping your head down to one side. Really good to release through our neck and shoulders as well for this one. All connected through our chest. Beautiful. And then just dropping your head forward, nice and gentle, and all the way up. You can keep your mouth closed as you look up to really release through that neck. Beautiful. And come back in, a little releasing through. Okay, let's get into it. So starting off with our chest slides, we want to think about our chest, our diaphragm through here, and our rib cage as being like a little slider. So we're bringing it one side, then the other. If it helps, you can hold on to that part you're moving. As always, having our feet hip width apart, keeping our chest up, nice and relaxed as we come through. If it helps, you can use a mirror if you have a mirror near you. And you want to keep everything else nice and relaxed, so try not to move the whole body. Someone once told me, thanks Isabel, that you can think of this like a typewriter. Then I was thinking, I'm not sure how many people have used a typewriter these days. It's like you're coming across, ching, ching, ching. So nice little stretch as we come through. Standing up nice and tall, really squeeze through your core, as well as stretching to get that isolation. Beautiful, let's go a little faster. Nice work. Keep breathing. This one as well, when we're doing our chest moves, often hard to breathe. That's it. Good. You can hold here, or you can hold here. Or you can hold here to try and stop your hips from moving. Good. Okay, let's sharpen it up. Nice and strong, one side and the other. Beautiful. Try and keep your chest level. You can check in the mirror. Try and keep your shoulders level. That's it. I'm really gripping the floor, but I'm holding up strong as well to work through that chest. And you can see my whole chest is facing to the front. I'm not twisting forward or back. I'm trying to keep that whole chest to the front. Beautiful. Okay, let's go doubles. We're coming 1 and 2, other side, 1, 2, other side, 1, 2, that's it. Good. A little faster. Good. Nice and relaxed. Relax through your shoulders, make sure you're not tensing up. That's it. As you go double, you're coming back to center each time. Beautiful. Nice work, and shake it out. Okay, now we're bringing our chest forward and release. Forward and release. So we wouldn't really typically do this movement by itself a lot, unless you're wanting to be very provocative, which maybe you are. This is me pulling, imagining there's a cord here, pulling forward. Again, we want to keep the rest of our body nice and relaxed. We're thinking about this pushing from this part of our torso. Good. And then we're coming back. So as we come back, it's like something's pushing from here. You're using your abs again, little push in. Again, we wouldn't really use this one by itself, but it's a nice one to come into the combo we're about to come into. Sinking back, keeping your neck nice and relaxed. That's it, beautiful. And shake it out. Okay, let's come into our little combo now. We're gonna bring our chest forward. We're gonna bring our chest to the side. We're going to bring our chest back, and then we're going to bring it to the other side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 spots. Chest, 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 chest. That's it. Beautiful. You can hold your hands here. You can hold your hands on your hips to keep them still, or you can hold your hands here to feel your chest working. And then see if you can go with the music. Good. Good. Anyone recognize this song? Let me know in the comments. Beautiful. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Good. Okay, let's go the other way. Forward, to the side, back, other side. Forward and side. Make sure you try both sides because always one is going to be easier than the other. That's it. This music's quite fast. Let's catch the beat. Good. Beautiful. Nice. And shake it out. Nice work. Okay, this time we're going to join all 4 spots. So you can do this one as an accented move, as we just did, or you can join those spots really releasing through your chest. So again, you're trying to keep the rest of your body nice and relaxed. And then we're hitting forward, side, back, side. And to think about bringing that move from staccato to smooth, think about moving as slowly as you can between each point. And then also think about stretching out through your muscles as well. So if you're looking downwards at yourself, it's like you're doing a circle with the chest. Beautiful. That's it. Remember to keep breathing. Relax through your shoulders, relax through your neck. Lovely. Good. And other way. Smooth it out. Always one way will be easier than the other, so make sure you try both. Staying nice and relaxed. Keep that stretch. Lovely. Also, I should say at the start, this isn't good if you've just had a really big meal, so if you have and you're this way through, sorry. But you can always do it again another time. Best on an empty stomach, so you can really use all those muscles comfortably. Beautiful. And shake it out. Nice work. Okay, next little combo we're coming into is an up and down with our chest. So for this one, it's a little bit different than coming forward. Instead, we're coming straight up. So this time we can think about something tight on here, lifting us straight up. So come up, we're elongating through our torso or through our belly and then drop. So this one you can accent on the up or you can accent on the down, your choice. Let's try the beat. That's up and down, drop, 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 drop. Let's go up and down. Good. That's it. Up, down, up, down. Again, this one, you really want to try and breathe as you do it. Doesn't matter if you breathe in or out, just make sure you keep breathing. Try and keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your neck relaxed. That's it. Nice work. Really working through our belly here as we lift that chest. Let's go up, 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 up. Also working through our back muscles too, so if you're feeling it through here, very normal. Might be muscles you haven't worked for a while. That's it, good. And drop down. Good. Ooh, you can see I'm getting out of breath now. And shake it out. Awesome work, everyone. Let's just have a little stretch. So bringing your arms in front, bring your shoulder blades away from each other. Hope you like these chest isolations. Hope you'll bring them into your dancing. Open up, reaching through, nice big stretch. Let me know in the comments, were there any parts that you struggled with, or did you have any questions? Dropping your arms down, dropping your head over, feeling it all the way through here. Good. And other side. And back to center, dropping your head all the way down, feeling it through the back of your neck. And back to center, chin to ceiling, keeping your mouth closed, feeling it through the front of your neck. And back to center, shake it out. Well done, shimmy shakers. Thanks for dancing with me and happy dancing. I'll see you soon. Like this style of video, please check out this playlist right here. I have heaps of run-through drills and tutorials that will help you with your belly dancing moves.